Yeah, my brother was in town. I said, I got to take you to this great food cart. It wasn't there anymore.
Oh, no.
And after he left, I found it. It had moved. So that's a great tool for folks.
Yeah, and now I'm hungry for food. So, Natasha, I don't know what to say. Do you have any food in the weather department?
Say. I know what you want to say. You want to say, what's up with the box?
She does have a box of Cheez-Its, and I'm just really hungry.
Yeah, Natasha has a box of Cheez-Its over there in the weather center.
It's my stress.
So Liz and I will help ourselves while you give us that weekend forecast.
We're not giving you a hard time so much as like we just would like some.
Come on, Liz, let's go over there and get those Cheez-Its.
Yeah, don't steal my food. That's my dairy for the day. Just kidding. It's an example of what you should not eat. Battleground, sorry, it's my stress food. Okay, so gorgeous pictures coming in to the studio tonight from the lovely sunset that we had. One of our followers on Twitter, she takes great pictures in Battleground, and this is one of those pictures. Over to Seaside, not seeing much for any rain at this point. Most of that rain is actually over the Cascades and into eastern Oregon and central Oregon, where they're going to be seeing more snow overnight. So we're drying out here along the coast and in the valley. Tonight, tomorrow morning will still be nice and dry, but very cold. We'll get another chance to see some rain tomorrow evening, and then Sunday, nice and clear for us. Over to Ridgefield from our ALMANAC camera, it is 44 degrees. Pavement is damp, but haven't seen much for rain here in the last few minutes. Here's the big picture on our satellite and radar imagery. There's our area of low pressure. Counterclockwise rotation, bringing that moisture, wrapping it around and bringing it back over the Cascades. And a nice northerly flow is with us right now, which is going to continue to bring our temperatures down. As we look at the bigger picture here, right on radar, noticing up and down the Cascade Crest, this is where we have the snow falling at the moment. But in the valley, we're just mostly cloudy at this point. How about those rain totals since midnight? We had a few record breakers over in eastern Oregon. Pendleton managed to pick up a little bit more than an inch of rain in a less than 24-hour period now. 0.8 of an inch for you, the Dalles. But here in the valley, because we were on the dry side of this low, we only picked up about 0.2 of an inch of rain and close to a ½ inch there at Astoria. So let's talk about how much snowfall we could actually see in Mount Hood. Now, Mount Hood is not going to be one of the winners for most snowfall. You're going to have to go a little bit further south down towards Bachelor and Sisters for that. But right around Government Camp, it could be up to an inch accumulation as a possibility going from tonight all the way through Sunday night. But most areas should be dry by Sunday morning, really. Over towards Timberline and Mount Hood Meadows, we're looking at accumulations that could be closer to 6 inches on the high end, possibly even 12 inches of snow, but that'll be at resort level and above. At the road level, maybe a trace, at best, perhaps about an inch of snow for you right there. Government Camp, you can see down towards Sisters and Bend. Anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches possible. As you go up a little bit higher in elevation, though, you might be able to collect anywhere from 6 inches to 8 inches of snow. Let's talk about how much rain we have seen so far this month. Now, keep in mind the month-to-date total of 1.32 inches has really arrived just in the last 2 days. So now we are above normal, but we're only a week into the month, so we have a ways to go. Since October 1st, though, we are behind in those seasonal rainfall totals. Daytime highs tomorrow at the coast in the upper 40s, low 50s, but morning temperatures again at the coast and in the valley right there, right around freezing. Daytime highs for you, McMinnville 52, 48 for Portland, central and eastern Oregon temperatures, morning temperatures upper 20s, daytime highs will be in the upper 40s. So very cold weekend ahead. There you go. More sunshine, though, and then a chance for showers next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with temperatures in the upper 40s. KOIN 6 News, we'll be right back.